Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy. It's day 398 of our Be Creative series. And what are we doing tonight? We're going to do an exercise in shape and light. So what have I got here? I've got a red coffee cup with the handle, the circle, and a blue dish, the circle. So this image, this photo is all about circles. And the colors are great. But I'm going to make this photo a black and white. And I want the contrast, I want the depth, I want the excitement to the image. So what are we going to do? So we've got the house lights on so you can see it. We have one of the Lytra Pro lights giving us some backlight here. And one of the Pavo tubes lighting this side. I'm going to turn out the house lights here. Right? Look what happens to the contrast in the light. You want to see it again? Come take a look, Cheryl, right here. So that's with the house lights on, and here's with the house lights off. So when I'm photographing, most of the time I have the house lights off. Why? Because I want to control the light. So I've got the Lytra light here giving us some rim light there. Oh, but I don't like that. Look at the light, look at the little spot of light right here created by the Lytra torch. So what am I going to do? I'm going to turn it off. And that's why I have the Pavo tube, the strip light. So you can see this rim of light here and how that accentuates the lines. So I'm going to focus right here and shoot. What I'd really like is a little more light back here in the background. So what am I going to do? I'm going to bring in something white like a notepad. I'm just going to angle that light right into the bottom there and shoot. Just bring a little bit more light in. I can come in a little closer and bring a little bit more light. Right there, right there. Awesome. You notice how I angled it down? Because I didn't want the light to come in here. You can see the light's now inside the cup. I don't want it inside the cup. I just want it on the background. I want it in the back there. Just like that. Awesome. Look at that. Now let's peek and see what I've done. Right, so here we go to playback. There's the image, it's great. Look, we've got some detail in the back. But to really check the detail, we have to check the histogram. So what I want to see is the range of light. Yes, I've got a great histogram. I've got the left side of the histogram is high because we have a lot of dark in the picture. Trailing across, and the histogram comes across. Come on, there we go. And it gives us a nice angle here. Great. And that's what you want your histogram to look like. So we're trying to be creative, try some different things, use the shapes and the light to be creative. That's the fun in photography. I love this here on the dining room table, and we've made a little scene. We can all do this. And yes, I've got the fancy lights. You can use a house lamp if you want. You can use a flashlight. We've done flashlights. We've done all kinds of lights over the Be Creative series. It's a lot of fun to get out and try some things. Have an idea. Let's make the picture together. Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow for another day of Be Creative.